Surprise!
Whoa! How did you do that?
Yeah. Anyways, guys, did you see that? It's time for more Sensory Saturdays! Woohoo!
Amazing, Max. I love that. That's so cool. All right. So, you want to tell everyone that?
Today we're making a tornado in a jar. The materials you need is a clear jar or a water bottle, dish soap,
I'm sorry.
coloring, and just water.
Perfect. And if you don't have the dish soap, that'll work just as well because it's really, you're going to see, Max, it's really cool. We're going to use it just by our own motions that we're going to do, okay? So what do we need first?
Water.
Water in a jar, perfect. And then next, let's put in just a little bit of glitter. Do you have glitter?
Yes, I do.
Awesome. Max, so I have blue glitter and yellow. What color do you want me to use in mine?
Blue.
Blue? All right, I'll use the blue. And you can put some glitter in your jar too.
All right. You're absolutely right.
I put a little bit of both just in case. All right, did you get the glitter in there?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and next, do you have food coloring?
Yes, I do.
Let's just put about 1 drop in there because we want to make sure we can still kind of see the glitter.
Okay.
All right. And then after that, we're going to put a lid on.
Dish soap.
Oh, I forgot. You can put just a little bit in there. Perfect. That's good. And then Max, do you remember, have you ever seen a tornado in a video or maybe on the TV? Or
Yes, I've watched it on YouTube like years ago.
Oh, that's cool. Do you remember
like last year or someday last year?
What does a tornado kind of look like?
It spins around.
Like this, right? So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to make a tornado in the bottle. So you're going to try to spin it in a big circle like this. And eventually you should see it should make a little spiral in the middle of the jar.
You see the tornado? Let's shake it a little bit more.
Small.
Or Max, have you ever heard of a whirlpool? Whoa!
Yes, I have heard of a whirlpool.
Whoa, Max, yours looks great. I think the shape of your jar works better than mine.
It's a pickle jar. Ew.
Whoa! Look at that, Max.
Yeah, mine's so cool.
Yours is cool. Awesome. So this was a really simple activity, really quick, right?
That was a really quick activity once again. Anyways, guys, we're finished. Enjoy your Saturday and get your bikes out because it's going to be really hot.
It is going to be hot. Everyone stay cool, stay safe.
Ride your bike around town. And yeah, all right, see you next Saturday, you guys. Bye-bye.
All right.